Set operations. Union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, complement of sets. In previous class, we have discussed about union of sets and intersection of sets. Now, in today's class, we will discuss about difference of sets. Difference of sets. If U be a universal set and A, B, A and B be its two subsets, then difference of set A and B is denoted by A minus B. Read as A difference B is a new set with elements belonging to the set A but not to the set B. For example, let A equal to ABCD and B equal to CDEF. Then A difference B. Now first write elements of A, B, C, D minus elements of B, C, D, E, F. Then what is the A difference B? So from definition, A difference B is a new set with elements belonging to the set A but not to the set B. So let's say in A, C, D are elements of also B. Yes, they are overlapping set. C, D are common in both. So C, D not the elements of only A. C, D are elements of B also. So AB only the elements of A. So AB is A difference B. Okay, let's show in Venn diagram. In previous class, we have discussed how to place the elements in Venn diagram. So if you missed the class, let's see today also. Okay, this rectangle represent universal of set. Okay, and we know that A and B are two subsets of universal set. So A you have to represent by circle. Similarly, B also you have to represent by circle, and they are joined because A and B are overlapping set. Now let's start to place the elements. Okay, we have to start from common part. In common part, we will write common elements. So C and D are common elements. So CD we have written in common part. Now, what are the remaining elements of A? So AB are remaining elements of A, and we will write in remaining parts of A. Similarly, remaining elements of B we will write in remaining parts of B. Okay, so AB represent A minus B, and this shaded part represent A minus B. According to the answer is AB. So this part also AB, and this part represent A minus B. A difference B. Okay. Similarly, B minus A is a new set with elements belonging to the set B but not to the set A. A difference B is a new set with elements belonging to the set A but not to the set B. Similarly, B minus A is a new set with elements belonging to the set B not to the A. Then A difference, then B minus A. Let's take same example. So list first elements of B. Okay, in B minus A, you have to list first elements of B, then elements of A. In A minus B, you have listed first elements of A, then elements of B. Okay, so in this B minus A, we will write the elements of only B. So C, D are common elements in B and A. So EF are only the elements of B. So B minus A is EF. Now Venn diagram. So this shaded part represent B minus A. Look, I have taken same example. So Venn diagram are same, but shaded part are different for different operations. Okay, next example. If universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and its subset A is 1, 3, 5 and B is 2, 4, then find A difference B and B difference A. Also show in a Venn diagram. So now let's see first what types of relation given. Okay, now A and B are subsets of universal set and A and B are disjoint set because there are no any common elements. Okay, first of all we have to list what are given: universal sets, subsets, then find A minus B. So to find A minus B, you have to list first elements of A minus then elements of B, and we already talked about it. A minus B means we have to write only the elements of A, and here all the elements of A, only the elements of A. There are no any elements are common. So set A itself A minus B. Similarly, in Venn diagram also you can see that circles are separated because A and B are disjoint sets and the shaded part represent A minus B. Okay, and A itself A minus B because they are disjoint sets. Okay, again B minus A, and here also same concept. B minus A is B itself because B and A are disjoint sets. Now you can see in figure, in this case also questions are same, Venn diagram are same, only shaded part are different. Okay, second example, if A equal to factors of 3 and B equal to factors of 6, then find A difference B and B difference A. Also show in a Venn diagram. Solution, first of all you have to list what are given. Actually A and B are given in description method and you have to write in listing method. Okay, A is factors of 3, so members are 1 and 3 of A. B is factors of 6, so members are 1, 2, 3, 6. Now A minus B. Oh, empty set. Why? Because all the elements of A are the elements of B. So A is subset of B. So there is no any elements of only A. All the elements of A also all the elements of A also elements of B. So A minus B is empty set. And Venn diagram is like this. Look, A inside B. Okay, because A and B are subsets. Sorry, A subsets of B. Now B minus A. So B minus A is 2, 6. 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are elements of also A, and B in B minus A you have to write only the elements of B. And Venn diagram is shown as on screen. Okay,